बीच में इस बीच शक्तिकांत दास कुछ कह रहे हैं जीएसटी को लेकर, पहले आपको वो सुनवाते हैं।
Particularly solar. So where there is a lot of interest, so there will be two separate funds. One called a Clean Energy Fund, which will primarily focus on renewable energy, and there will be another road fund, which will again take up road projects and finance. Take up road projects. So these are the two funds which we are now setting up. And as you know, we have already interacted with, we already MOUs with the idea of that is Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, with Qatar Investment Authority. We have also with an agreement with the MOU with the Rusnano. We have entered into MOU some kind of an understanding with the government of the UK Treasury and with US Treasury also. And there are now proposals, 2-3 other proposals to be MOUs to be signed with other countries. So there is a lot of investment appetite, and it is just I think a matter of weeks or maybe 1 or 2 months at best, where we will see that actual activities are taking off.
So these two specific funds which you mentioned, so as you're indicating, are they likely to take off in terms of investments and contributions?
That is what we are attempting, and that is what we expect.
So one more quick question, sir. One more
funds model that was envisaged.
No, that is on. That is on.
Okay.
But bigger investor interest is in the sectoral, dedicated funds. Fund of funds, there is a lot of interest by institutions, multilateral institutions and others. So there will be therefore at two levels. The umbrella fund will continue, but at the same time we are also moving on. You see, those who invest in these dedicated sectoral funds will also take a small stake in the bigger fund.
So on Moody's, sir.
Yeah.
So on Moody's meeting yesterday, a lot of papers have reported that government has slammed them for lack of reforms. Would you like to how was?
तो आपने शक्तिकांत दास को सुना। कई सेक्टर्स जिनमें अब तक निवेश नहीं था, जैसे कि उनका कहना है कि जिस तरह के हाईवे के लिए रिस्पांस आ रहा है, स्पेशली एनवीटी बेस्ड हाईवे प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हैं उनके लिए रिस्पांस काफ़ी रोबस्ट आ रहा है। दूसरा सोलर को लेकर या फिर पावर को लेकर उनका ये कहना है कि इस सेक्टर के अंदर जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो ग्लोबली इन्वेस्टर्स की तरफ से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट जो है वो ड्राइव होता हुआ दिखाई पड़ रहा है। हालांकि मूडीज़ को लेकर एक सवाल उनसे पूछा गया, उस पर वो अभी तक नहीं जवाब सुन पाए, लेकिन कई सारे जो मुद्दे हैं उस पर उन्होंने बातचीत की।